the first burn in my JAGRD. That's what I should have named my personal nameplate, mine, so it doesn't go anywhere. As you see, 2 firelighters. Glenn's already cut some kindling. And just stack it with some air around each piece. I couldn't wait, so we've improvised. We've painted ours with a clear, heat-proof paint. I kind of like it. More than rustic. As you notice, the damper flue is all the way open. Keep getting your head in there, Glenn. All of it. We're doing this with jam, which is not usual, but we haven't had time to go out and cut other wood at the moment. Right. Now, it always draws better with the door closed and the damper all the way open, as it is. Hear it crackling away already. And that'll draw beautifully. Let's see how long it takes to get up to speed. And it's all mine. Could be yours.